In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Udemy using your password. If you're a frequent user of Udemy or just getting started, knowing how to seamlessly log in is essential for accessing all the wonderful courses available. Our goal here is to make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. So let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you are comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head over to the official Udemy website by typing www.udemy.com into the address bar and pressing Enter on your keyboard. You should now be on the homepage of Udemy, which is packed with a variety of courses and educational resources. Next, to log into your account, locate the Login button. This button is generally situated in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. This is the gateway to your personal learning dashboard. So let's make sure we do it right. On the login page, you'll see a couple of fields where you need to enter your account details. In the first field, carefully type in the email address you registered with. Ensure there are no typos, as incorrect email addresses can lead to login issues. Below this, you'll find another field for your password. Enter your password here. It's important to note that passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure that your caps lock key is not turned on unintentionally. If you're concerned about security and tend to forget passwords, consider using a password manager to keep track of your login credentials. Now, sometimes Udemy might need a little extra security verification to make sure it's really you logging in. In such cases, you may be prompted to enter a 6-digit code. This code will be sent to your registered email address, so keep an eye on your inbox. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk mail folders. Once you receive the code, enter it into the required field on the Udemy site. This step helps protect your account from unauthorized access and ensures that your information stays secure. Once all your details are correctly entered, find the Login button and click on it. If all the information you've provided is accurate, you'll successfully log into your account. You should now be on Udemy's dashboard, ready to explore, learn, and broaden your horizons with the diverse range of courses they offer. And that's all there is to it. You can now enjoy accessing countless courses, learning at your own pace, and making the most of what Udemy has to offer. Thanks for watching, and have a great time learning.